See, there you go.
Hindi.
You ask your mom.
Hindi. You ask your dad.
He would still answer the same.
Yeah. Men was
Because then my mom would be standing next to me.
elder men are more smart than the
Okay,
boys.
change topic. Do blind people dream in color? Sino yung tinatanong?
Oh, yeah.
Do blind people, like, blind from... Dream in color.
What's your favorite color? Oh, was it you? Oh, Joya. What's your favorite color?
Describe.
And then describe that color to a blind person. How would you do it?
We're testing that.
Yeah.
Anong street? Anong turo? May kasi wala. Chassis?
Chassé.
Si DJ kasi. Chassis, may chassis, may...
Cha-cha-cha.
Slow, anatik, bermili.
Volta?
Slow, electric.
Slow.
And a slow.
Porto Jaca.
In, out.
Hindi, Volta.
Dalawang po. Green.
Sin.
Whatever, sir.
Wala nang naniniwala sa'yo.
Is you anymore.
Wala. Naning.
Kausap ko sarili ko, bakit?
Wala nang naniniwala sa'yo, Tin. Hindi, sorry, Tin. Baka maidik pa ako.
Wala yung kumain si Tin.
Patrimonyo.
Alam niyo na.
Bakit kaya tayo may Jack and Jill, Tin?
Alam ni Dins.
Ganon.
As if. Sabihin mo kay Tin, as if. Getting.
Sabihin mo. Sige sa
Yeah. Pasok. Whatever.
Ano yun?
As if.
Yung first time yung ginamit ko yung support family. Gusto ko, seryoso yung pag-uusap.
Whatever.
Nandun kami sa room.
Cute.
Ay, binuktot niyo yung isa kong
Hindi na may pagkwento lang din si Kigoy ng paulit-ulit. Sabi niya, whatever. Kung whatever, may mata pa yan eh. Tapos time nandun kami sa hapon pa siguro. No. Yung nandun kami sa bahay, sa mansion. Tapos nasa boys bedroom kami si Kigoy. Kwento ng kwento, paulit-ulit kanta ng kanta. Eh, whatever.
Sorry, Kuya. Mag-sorry ka na, Kuya.
It's okay, Chin. You can relate. We know you can.
I said so. I don't know sabi ko, she was the first one to react. Ano yung sinabi ko?
You're on top.
Oh yeah. Okay, I can be on top though.
I'll be on the bottom.
React bigla.
Tumingin lang ako kay Denise, react na yun.
So you reacted first, and then Denise reacted.
Why? 2 months and...
2 weeks. Don't worry, I'm ahead of you.
2 months pa sila. 2 months.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Ilang days lang.
1 day.
Ano yan? 7? 8? 3 days.
8?
Oh yeah, we're
3 days.
2 months and 2 weeks.
8 na ngayon. Tayo, ilang months na tayo?
2 months and 2 weeks.
Whoa. Hindi. 2 months and a week.
January and ngayon, 8, 9.
2 months and a week. Diana and Peter. Production. Dana. Oh, Dana.
And a quick and It's slow.
And slow. And slow.
Also, diba we had noodles? Wala nang noodles the second week. Ampalaya lang and eggs. Oh, we had, sardines and noodles the first week, diba? Yeah, no, wala na. Just ampalaya and eggs. And I don't... No, well, it was my first time trying it. That was very...
It's better we wait na lang.
Pero, wala, there was walang pagkain, so we had no choice, diba? Oh. And then, like I had, that's when I started to eat rice. It's like, no, I'm gonna get hungry. Are you kidding me? You stayed there for a month. Yeah, you got
3 weeks.
No, a total of a month.
Looban?
Oh,
3 weeks.
kami?
Tayo.
Tayo? Maybe 4?
3 weeks.
Pole dancing tapos...
Oh, it was so cool how we got,
yeah.
how we got, and they really demolished it in front of us.
talaga
Two
In the
sledgehammers.
house while they demolished it.
Yeah. I threw a pebble at one of them. Just on the ground, though. I'm not gonna really hurt.
Si Kiko hindi daw siya lilipat. Hindi, bahay natin to.
Nalaban yun po.
They just got the hammers and
Oo.
Sineperate pa tayo.
Oh, we
The
had
ski mask sila lang.
what? We had 2 minutes to.
basically 5 minutes. In
Whatever.
total.
So we were working out, and all of a sudden there
Yung
was
dalawang manok
a
ng
fire that came underneath
Sa sako.
like underneath the
And
door.
everyone was like, no, let's just leave it packed tomorrow. I'm like, no, let's pack now. We had just started packing, and then 2 minutes later, the door comes in, and they start breaking down everything.
Oh, mga police uniform. Tapos they had mga loud.
We took what we
No, we had sex.
had sex.
Oh, sex,
we
man.
had.
But they didn't give any sort of announcement or.
No, may bago mga 2 minutes before may eviction notice.
Hindi, may binigay sa ilalim.
Oh, eviction notice sa ilalim ng pinto.
Yes.
And then that's it.
What? How do you feel? You thought you were gonna be evicted or something? I thought.
No, I just didn't know what was happening.
Yeah.
I was, because they came in with hammers and started breaking down everything. I was like,
Did they
oh,
fire in the
now?
kitchen or? But where?
Yeah,
the-
kitchen.
Kitchen.
Ang
Right?
nakakatawa doon is yung bus na.
Oo.
Ay, yung garbage bag? Ay, garbage truck?
Oh.
Ang ano? So lahat kayo naka-blindfold, nandun kayo na.
Dalawang oras, tapos dito lang pala rin kami.
2 hours kayo, umikot-ikot? Something like that, yeah. Feeling ko umikot. Feeling
Ay,
ko
wala ka pala doon, tama.
Oh, yeah.
Naman.
Sino?
Naman.
You're in the back of the
Grabe si Roy.
Nasaan sila?
Kami lahat, ihi na, ihi. First time ko ganyan katagal hinood ko yung ihi ko. Parang
Bigla-bigla kasi, di ba? Parang pagising niyo po yun, umaga.
Tapos kakasad na.
Dinala niyo yung manok? He brought the chicken. Si curry at ang adobo.
He put it in the sack. he took it with us in the truck.
This is mine, it's gonna be hard. Si adobo at si curry.
Maria told us to take whatever we could get, and I took the chips, so we ate it all in the truck.
Mga baso, mga kaldero,
Grabe.
mga takurel.
The chickens, we took the chickens.
Hindi ko kinuha.
Oh, then when they returned the stuff, it was 2 stuffed toy chickens.
Ah.
Super.
Saka kami nung